Your Travato came with a cold water filter that's located inside and provides filtered water to your kitchen sink. When you want to use your freshwater fill from outside, you may want to opt for a filter to go through your hose line. Additionally, if your connector does not allow you to reach easily, you may want to add a flexible hose and maybe even a pressure regulator. If you need to use the flexible hose, connect that first. Then be sure that you find the arrow on your water filter. That's the flow of the water. Connect that next. And lastly, connect your freshwater hose. Be sure that you don't use the same hose for your black tank flush as you do for your freshwater fill. Once you have your water filter hooked up to your water source, you come to your rear panel and make sure that you have the levers in the correct position before you attach your hose. I know that I'm going to be filling the city water, so I'm going to turn the green lever to match the label on the key. Second, it's a great idea to run water through your hose first just to flush your hose. Find the city fill port, take the cap off, and use the collar to lock your hose in place. Make sure that it's securely attached before you turn on your water. Once you do that, you can let the water run until you hear it overflow from the tank. This is okay and lets you know that your tank is now full.